So this is like 2 videos in one, but like I'm gonna do the first one now, and then after I get done making this one, I'm gonna make the second one. So this is just me ripping around the yard. I've been trying to get this video up and on the internet since Saturday. Life's just been crazy and busy. Yeah, I'll shut up now and we can go for a ride on this little quad. Woo! And thanks for making it this far. Shout out to all of these pilots: Spider Sugar, Matty Blunts, Freedom FPV 84, Joe Photo Leo, Will CFPV. I can't remember all these names. There's a lot of them. I just copy and paste them now. It's just fun to read them off sometimes. But yeah, thanks for watching my videos. Go check out the merch store if you want. You don't have to, but it helps the channel, whatever. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Downvote this video, unsubscribe, trash talk me in the comments, and don't view these videos anymore. Anyways, love you guys.
Woo! Look at that chicken.